vehicle here. That's called ice cream truck.
What is that ice cream truck all about?
It's all about you have so much ice flavors and it's freezing. And it has so many flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and butterscotch. That's all the ice cream. And also
Oh,
ice pops too.
so that truck is being used to deliver.
Yeah, with all the ice creams. And then all children can
Deliver
enjoy
ice cream. So that children will enjoy ice cream.
Yeah, and it will be tasty and better.
Okay. So can you now unbox it?
Of course. See what we have here? Basta yung battery niya.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Huh?
But we have no battery.
There's no battery?
Yeah, we still have to fill it. Look, the construction needs a battery.
Yeah, there's a battery. Hmm.
We must get some battery first. Mami, wala ito ng battery. We also think as we should go round and round, round and round, round and round. We also think as we should go round and round, all day long. We also think as we should go round and round. Oh, we have to I need to get the screwdriver. Wait a minute. I need to get the screwdriver. Wait a minute, guys. Makulog kayo!
This one. Yeah, good. The other one. Where will you put it? No? Yeah. No? You push it. Push. You push. No, that, yeah. No. Push. Alright. Okay.
Guys, before you need to put in battery so you can dance. Look at this. Oh, and bump.
It bump. There's a reverse. Okay. What can you say about this toy?
I can deliver sorts of ice creams. They're very, very sweet. It's only an orange joint. What's it like all around the ground?
It is dancing, no?
Oh. Just what's around.
It's stuck.
Yeah, that's because there's a rock. Oh, it's hitting me. like this, just click this above and buy from me. Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I hope you like the admin enjoy.